Hi guys, so today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm, and I'm super excited about this month. So we are just going to go ahead and open it up. And so first off, we have this little pamphlet. It is Boxy and Chill. Okay, so it just has all the little items on the back. And so the first item in the palette is the Tarte Rainforest by the Sea eyeshadow palette. So exciting. So we are going to go ahead and start out by doing my eyeshadow. And so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm going to start by using the shade Cove in my crease. That's Cove. Ooh, that's pretty, you guys. And then next up, I'm going to take the shade Reef. Right there's that one. And blend it into the outer corner. Start on the outer corner and then blend it into my crease from there. And next up, I'm going to take the shade Abyss, and I'm going to switch brushes now. I'm going to use, what brush do I want, you guys? I'm going to take the Wet n Wild crease brush in the shade Abyss. Just dab that onto my brush. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cosmetics flat shader brush, and I'm going to use the shade Seashell, this pinkish color, pinkish purple, and I'm going to start by patting it into my inner corner. And then next up, I'm going to take the shade Wave, that one, and put that on all over the lid. More of a purple shade. And then to finish off, I'm going to take the shade Starfish on just the same flat shader brush and help transition. Okay, so now to finish off this look, I'm just going to take the same Wet n Wild crease brush that I was using earlier, and I'm going to dip it into the first shade that we used, Cove. And I'm just going to make sure it's all blended together, so there aren't any harsh lines. Okay, I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to take the shade Sand. This really light color in the palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and dip it into the inner corner of my eye. So now we are going to move on to the next product in the box. We have the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So, ooh, it has a really nice boolie. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to just brush through them. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill them in. So it says it's universal, but it's looking a little bit dark. I struggle with universal products for this reason. It doesn't look too bad though. It's very creamy, you guys. I'm really liking the way it's the formula. Okay, I'm gonna see if by going back and just using the spoolie to brush through it, if that lightens it out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will be back to show you guys the rest of the products in the box. Okay guys, I am back. I have finished my eye makeup, and I forgot to mention how much each of these products retails for. So the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1 retails for $36. And the $1 Billion Brow Universal Brow Pencil retails for $18. Okay, so I think that the brows were a little bit too dark for me. I just think they're a little too dark on me, but I really like the formula that they have. Okay, so now I'm going to reach into the next product in the box, which is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever. Okay, so this retails for $20. What? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. It smells like vanilla. I like that. It's a really pretty color. It doesn't really go with the eye look that I did that well, but it's not horrible. Okay, so this is the completed look. We do have 2 more products in the box that I couldn't really use to create this look. So the first one is the BRIOGEO ROSCARO Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. They sent another BRIOGEO product back in November, which I absolutely love, and so I'm excited about this. I'm excited to try this. My hair always needs a little bit of extra love. So this retails for $12. And then the last products in the box are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I've heard amazing things about these. I've always wanted to try Tatcha, but it's a little bit out of my price range. Okay, so I have tallied up all the totals, and this box is valued to $110. Literally, you guys, it's so worth it, and it's so insane. It's only $21 to buy the box, but you're getting $110 worth of products. So if you guys are interested in trying out Boxycharm, make sure to use the link in my bio. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, leave any ideas for future videos in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys.